guys, let's make a deal. If you walk away from this video smiling, or if you feel like you've learned something new, you promise me that you subscribe, and I promise you that I will help you to leave here with a tip that you didn't know yourself. Deal? Deal. All right, let's get started. I was really on the hunt for a new keratin treatment. Cliove Organics sent me over their keratin treatment, but not only their keratin treatment, but also a box of their goodies. So I want to share that with y'all today. The first thing that I noticed is that they have this fragile sign on there, which means a lot. I can't be the only one who has received products, and most of the products are all spilt out. So one thing I really appreciate is that they took a lot of care with packaging this box, and I'm so grateful for that. They have all of these packing peanuts. They look like some kind of white cheddar Cheeto. Do they look like that to you? The packaging is on point. Everything seems to be packaged and wrapped in some kind of what looks like saran wrap packing plastic. I really like it. I'm going to take everything out. We have the protein hair mask, clarifying shampoo, total smooth keratin treatment, advanced styling cream, a keratin protein shampoo, keratin protein conditioner. I can tell that the company did their research in planning out the packaging. I really prefer pumps more than the kind that you press out, especially when it comes to shampoo and conditioner. When you're shampooing your hair and your hands get all wet and everything, sometimes the ones that you press, they can be really hard to get out. And then actually, even the container itself doesn't seem like it's really hard. When it gets to the very end, I would like to see if I can still use the pump to get it out. But even if I can't, I can already tell that I will be able to, get the last drop out of the bottle. So that's really good. I'll get into the details, the ingredients and all of that, and why I feel like this product is going to work wonders on my hair in a future video. So make sure that if you are not already, you go ahead and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up so other people can see this video, and I will talk to y'all soon. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope it helps some of you out. Bye.